Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my new police car that I made, so please smash that like button and also smash that subscribe button. As you can see, the police car has a working lights. It's not really that perfect, but it's good. It's look really cool at night too. It uses the same mechanic, like the way Brian Black Cheetah did. This is how I connect the wire. It also connected to the taillights. It opens too. It also have a spotlight for the police to see from the cabin to the streets. You can turn it on and off with this switch. It has an interior lights with a separate switch. The headlight works too. Forgot to mention, you can turn on and off the police lights, and if you turn it off, it will only stop flash and doesn't turn off completely. It has some details too, but I don't want to add a lot. One of the details is this, the push bar. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe.